Episode 4 of ERP for Beginners. Core Business Processes. The 3 Big Flows. Four blocks. What a process is. Order to cash, procure to pay, plan to produce. By the end, you'll see why processes are what ERP is really for. Start with the frame. A business process is a chain of steps. It starts with a trigger. A customer asks, stock runs low, and ends with a financial posting. In between, it touches several modules. One sales order might flow through sales, inventory, and finance. A purchase touches procurement, inventory, and finance. Modules are the map. Processes are the routes. Order to cash, the revenue loop. Every business runs a version of this. Customer orders something, we deliver it, we invoice it, they pay. Five steps. A quotation. We respond to a price request. A sales order. The customer confirms. Pick and ship. Inventory reserves the stock and sends it. Invoice. Finance creates accounts receivable. And collect. Cash comes in, AR clears. 3 modules, 1 flow. Procure-to-Pay, the spending loop. Someone identifies a need. A requisition is raised. Procurement turns it into a purchase order to the vendor. Vendor delivers. Inventory posts a goods receipt. The vendor's invoice arrives. The system runs a 3-way match. PO equals goods receipt equals invoice. If the 3 agree, payment is safe. Finance clears accounts payable. Plan to produce, the making loop. Only for companies that actually make things. Distributors and services don't run this. Demand triggers it. A sales forecast or a stock minimum. The planning engine explodes a bill of materials, figures out what to buy and what to make. A production order commits the plan. Materials are issued, the shop floor confirms the work, and finished goods come out the other side. Why does this matter? Running a process inside one system, not across 10, buys you 4 practical things. Automation. Step completes, next step triggers. No one types the same number twice. Audit trail. One sales order traces all the way to a bank deposit. Error detection and speed. The system spots breaks immediately, and everything moves at software speed. Quick recap. A business process is a chain of steps that crosses modules and ends with a financial posting. Order to cash, the revenue loop. Sales, inventory, finance. Procure-to-Pay, the spending loop, procurement, inventory, finance. Plan-to-produce, the making loop, planning, manufacturing, finance, only for makers. Thanks for watching. Next up, cloud versus on-premise. The deployment question every ERP customer has to answer. Subscribe so you don't miss it.